Hey guys, it's me, Erica today, and as most of you guys know, 4th week hair is when we need the most product, and especially if we're trying to extend and stretch wash day for another week. During this time is when my hair gets dry, and when my hair is dry, usually my scalp is dry and itchy as well. So scalp care is extremely important during this week, and luckily I have Sulfur 8 to help me out with that. And if you've seen our previous videos, you will know that we also use Sulfur 8 to relieve our itchy scalp. As you all know, we have gone back to greasing our scalp, and Sulfur 8 is one of those back in the day products that still works and everybody still seems to love. Also, a lot of y'all have commented on previous videos that you can't get over the smell, but don't worry, stick around to the end of this video because I got you covered with options and a giveaway. So like I said, I usually use grease to help with my dry scalp. I personally don't mind the smell. I kind of like medicated smells. I think I mentioned this in another video, but I kind of like medicated smells. I know, I'm kind of weird. But anyway, Sulfur has a fresh line and I use their oil sheen moisturizing spray, and I love it because it's good for just like reviving dull hair and just adding a bit of shine. And it's also great because you can actually spray it on your scalp as well. Now my scalp care is usually done at night, but I would use this product throughout the day because like I said, it does add shine, especially if I want my hair to look decent throughout the day. And this product is lightweight. It's perfect if you think that Sulfur 8, the grease, is too heavy for you. This is a lighter option. Also, salicylic acid is an active ingredient in this spray. And for those who don't know, salicylic acid is an anti-dandruff ingredient, and it also helps in moisturizing your scalp. And another product that I love is the Sulfur 8 Fresh Oil Moisturizing Cream. And I know a lot of y'all are crazy about the whipped butter moisturizers, and this product is kind of like Sulfur 8's equivalent to that. And this moisturizing cream is actually made with cupuaçu butter, which is a lightweight butter, and it's like really great for your hair. But yeah, you can't tell on screen, but it is so light and airy. You can actually apply it to your scalp and your hair at night. So how I use it is that I will actually grease my scalp with the Sulfur 8 grease, and then with the residue grease that's on my hands, I'll actually add the cream to the residue grease just to add some weight to the cream, and it's just like the perfect moisturizer right before you wrap your hair at night. And again, it's so light that I actually massage both of these into my scalp. The cream is so light that I can just massage it into my scalp by itself, or again, add it with some grease, and it's not even heavy at all. And in the morning, my hair is super soft. And another reason why I love the fresh products from Sulfur 8 is that the scent is so light and subtle. So if you're like not good with heavy smelling products, then these are the products for you. And the active ingredient in this product is pyrithione zinc, which like salicylic acid helps prevent dandruff and also helps fight bacteria which causes dandruff. Alright, so option 2 for nighttime scalp care would be using Sulfur 8 Scalp Therapy Scalp Spray. This product neutralizes odor, it detangles. Y'all know when I saw detangle, I was already hyped. And it also helps control frizz. Now, I don't have frizzy hair, so I don't know if it helps with frizzy hair or not. I can't attest to that because, you know, I don't really deal with frizz. But I do love the fact that I can spray this on my new growth, again, because I stretch my washes and my relaxers. So I love the fact that I can just spray it on my new growth and it softens it. So if you all are stretching your relaxers or stretching your washes, this is actually a good product. It is a bit on the watery side. It's not like the usual detangling sprays that are a little bit creamy. And I like to spray this on my scalp where my new growth resides, and I like that it also takes care of my itchy scalp at the same time. Now this product can be used for day or night, but I like treating my new growth at night. Once I spray it onto my scalp or my new growth, I do let it sit for a bit, and then I kind of massage it in with my comb. I feel like letting, especially detanglers, letting it sit on your hair kind of gives it time to just settle in and work. And for added moisture before I go to sleep, I like to use the Anti-dandruff Light Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion. And I love that this product has jojoba oil and aloe in it. Y'all know we love these ingredients. I also like this hair lotion because it is good for moisturizing braids, and I know Ebony's about to get her braids put back in soon, so I know she will definitely be using this product to moisturize her braids. And my hair felt so soft even before I started wrapping it, so I already knew that in the morning when I unwrapped my hair, how soft my hair was going to be. So these are all the products that I tried from the Sulfur 8 line. The best part is that on their website they have more products, so you guys get to pick and choose and just kind of create, you know, like your own, like just have options if you want to create your own scalp care routine. And to help you guys all out with that, I am doing a giveaway for this video, and the requirements are super easy. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, leave a comment below, and make sure you go like Sulfur 8 on Instagram and Facebook. I'll have all the information down in the description box, including the deadlines of when the giveaway will be over. But yeah, do that and you can win 4 products of your choice from the Sulfur 8 website. I'll have that website down below as well. Again, everything will be listed down below, so check that out. You can also find Sulfur 8 products at your local beauty supply store, or if you go online at houseofbeautyworld.com, you can find them there. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Again, thanks to Sulfur 8 for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!